C6 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2006 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual miles, 45,865 is all on this one. Of course, the 6-liter LS2 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission on this particular car. Let's go ahead and take a good look at the front fascia, nose of the car. Little aftermarket insert added down below. Red jewel metallic over the tan interior with tan top. Nice combination, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the undersides, very clean undersides in this car. Engine bay, interior, top up, top down, trunk. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Great looking chrome wheel. BF Goodrich radials. Those are all date coded 2023, FYI. So nice shape. You'll see close-ups of those in the still pictures as far as the tread on the tires and the wheels themselves. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see this car is not full of major nicks, dings, scratches. Nice finish on it. Horse bucket seat interior, center console. Heated seats, electronic dual climate control, heads-up display. Driver's information center. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason will take you for a virtual ride, show you how it goes down the road. Coming around to the rear of the car, see the center dump exhaust. It is running with Flowmaster mufflers right now, so we'll start it up, let you hear it run. Nothing crazy over the top as far as exhaust, just a nice little rumble coming out of this 06 Vet. A few notes from the technician on this one. No shakes or vibrations. Brakes straight, 75% front brakes, 80% rear brakes remaining. Serpentine belt is good. I mentioned the year of the tires at 2023. Did mention the horn was in up. All right, if you like C6 Corvettes or maybe just Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. This will have a manual top. I can show you the top being folded up and down a little later in the video. We'll check out the condition of it. Very simple for one person to put that top up. It doesn't take long either. You've seen the videos before. Power mirrors, power locks, memory seating, power windows, power driver's seat over here. Get a good look at the condition of the seat. Of course, tilt column cruise control, among many other options on this car that are standard. All right, let's fire it up. All right, we're going to check out the exact miles here. There they are, 45,865. And you can see no service, engine light, anything like that on. We do have the seatbelt light down here, up here I guess. And that's due to the fact I do not have my seatbelt on. Daytime running lamp indicator right there. This does have heads-up display. I have not played around with that at all. Dash looking good. How about stereo? Let's get a station that comes in.
Okay. Woo! These dogs.
And AC blows cold, I can vouch for that. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Pop the hood so we can check out that engine bay. Like I said, nice throaty exhaust note, nothing crazy over the top. A little bit of a rumble. Alright, hood liner nice and clean, as is the engine bay. There it is, the 6-liter LS2. Paired up with that 6-speed. Power steering, power brakes, and AC, as I just mentioned. AC going gold. Looks good underneath the engine bay, no doubt about that. Alright. Tell you what, let me get the tripod set up. I'll get the camera on it here, and I'll show you how easy it is to fold this convertible top up, and we'll check out the condition of that also. Alright, so convertible top up. I do want to quick show you the side glass also. So know your state and local laws as far as percentage of window tint that you can have. These windows have been tinted. And fabric top, a tan or camel color. Glass, rear window. That one does not have the dark tint on it. Electric rear defog. So no rips, tears, holes. Latch down above the windshield, nice tight fit. Same as the side glass on the passenger side. Looking good with the top up also. 2006 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car. And yes, I will show you the top being folded back down into the storage area, and Jason's going to take it for a drive. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And I do want to mention, I played around with that heads-up display a tad bit. I did not get that to show up on the windshield, just so you know. Phone number 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom.
One of 114.
And beyond. New episodes every week. Only on Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 2006 Chevrolet Corvette in a beautiful burgundy, maybe raspberry kind of a color. This is a convertible. We have the top up today. This is a 6-speed manual for the most fun. Excellent sound coming out of this car. Excellent handling. And you could say excellent acceleration. very quickly getting up over the speed limit. And if you put it at 6th, you're talking nice low RPMs for cruising. The temperature gauge is showing a 195, the oil pressure is showing 45. The battery's charging over 14 volts, and the fuel tank shows almost 3/4 of a tank. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles on it. That's barely broken in. If you missed your chance to get a 2006 Corvette, here's your chance. In very, very nice condition, inside and out, beige and black interior, going well with that dark red burgundy. Even get a little burble if you let off and a downshift. We got some traffic to wait for. Let's do some accelerating again. That's the fun part anyway. Corner's nice and flat as you'd expect from a Corvette. And sounding good. Find all the pictures of this 2006 Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.